Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to scan your QR codes inside a Python script using a free module which is provided by Python. So we have this QR code right here. You will see this QR code image is there, and we will scan this and print out whatever is the data. So once I run this script right here, you will see it will scan this QR code and print the result in the terminal. So it will just take 5 to 10 seconds to actually scan your QR code and then return the data which is associated with this QR codes. So it's a very useful Python script. So you will see it has returned this URL https freemediatools.com, which is my website. So we can even cross check as well. You can upload this QR code. Let me just do this, scanning this, and now you can see again it comes out to be free media tool. So it is actually returning the correct text. So there is this package here. Let me show you. You just need to first of all install this package qreader. This is actually the package name. This is actually the command is very simple, straightforward. Simply execute this command pip install qreader. So once you install this package, now I will show you a very simple example how to use this. So first of all, we will import this package here, qreader, and from this we need to import this method which is there, which is qreader. After that, we will also need to import the OpenCV library. So for this project, you also need the OpenCV package. So just install this package as well, OpenCV-Python. So this is the command. Simply install this command to install OpenCV. After that, we will simply initialize this qreader like this. So after that, we will initialize the image where this QR code is present like this. So QR code image is present right here. This is, you can see, result.png. So we will simply provide the path here like this. So after reading it, now we will be using this method which is provided by this module. We will decode this QR code by using this module. It contains this function which is detect and decode, and we will then provide the actual image like this. So after that, we can simply print out the decoded text. That's all. So very simple script. You simply use this third-party module qreader and OpenCV to load the image. Then we simply detect and decode the QR code and then display it inside the terminal. So this is the very easy way by which you can scan your QR codes and display the result. Thank you very much guys for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.